Hello, Nathan. Can you tell us what we're looking at here? What are we looking at? Okay, you don't want to say, Daddy's gonna say. We are looking at a bird show. Look at these big, beautiful live birds here. We got big owls, big eagles. Sorry, I can't give you all the different types of birds. This one's got his back to us. He doesn't want to talk to us. Look at this guy over here, Nathan. Ready? Look at this guy over here. And this little one over here, huh?
Happy to eat people.
Wow, they are neat, huh?
Yeah, they happy to eat people.
I think they are happy to see people.
Now we are going to a very bird around.
Ooh, I think I see a place, buddy, we can get some warm drinks. You want a hot chocolate, maybe?
I don't think so.
No. Are you having fun here? Hey, Nathan, are you having fun here? Yeah? Yeah. All right.